Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create Excel sheets in Google Drive. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Google Drive application on your phone, and after that, if you want to create Excel sheets in your Google Drive, you can tap on this plus button right here, and then there will be some options for you. And since we want to create Excel sheets, we can tap on Google Sheets right here, and right after we tap on the Google Sheets, the new Excel sheets will be created on our Google Drive. And just hold on because it's still loading. Okay, and after the Excel sheets has been created, we can edit the Excel sheets as we like. And for me, I'm just going back to the previous section. And if we want to rename our Excel sheets on our Google Drive, we just need to tap on this three dots button. Okay, and this is the Excel sheet that we have just created. And if we want to rename it, we can tap on this three dots button. Then we can click on rename. And we can rename the Excel sheets as we like. For example, I'm going to name it file. Okay, and we can click on rename button. Okay guys, and that's how we can create Excel sheets in Google Drive. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.